boss, patuloy mo lang poverty corn para madami ka pa matulungan. Anong poverty corn? Tanga, bobo. It's not a poverty porn. Ang poverty porn, yung andun i-emphasize mo yung mga nasa slums area. That is the poverty porn. But those people with crippled in disabilities, they are not a poverty. They are in pain. Bobo. Ang bobo mo. Poverty porn is different from person who has disability. You see? Poverty porn, ine-exercise mo, ine-emphasize mo yung mga mahihirap to gain something. Hindi ganon, tanga, bobo ka, inutil. It's not a poverty. May mga sakit yon with disability. They need help. Yes. And before I did that, I promised to my supporters and my super chatters that those things that have been given to me as a gift, I will share it to someone who need it, especially those with disabilities. So it's not a poverty porn, tanga, bobo, inutil. Ang aga-aga mo, i-define mo yung poverty. So may kapansanan, tanga.